Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities, Skylines with friends online. While the base game is designed for a single player, the dedicated community has created excellent modifications that bring a cooperative multiplayer experience to your city-building adventures. You can collaborate with up to 16 other players, sharing the responsibilities of managing a bustling metropolis and tackling challenges together. To get started, first subscribe to the Cities, Skylines multiplayer mod through the Steam Workshop. It is crucial that every player involved has the identical game version and all the same downloadable content packs installed to prevent synchronization issues. Once subscribed, launch your game, navigate to the content manager, and activate the mod. One player will then host the game, providing an IP address for others to connect. Once connected, you and your friends will share full control over the city. This means you can collectively manage finances, build infrastructure, and develop districts. The mod works by synchronizing the game state across all connected clients, ensuring everyone sees the same city. While generally stable, be aware that very rapid actions might cause slight delays or temporary desynchronization. Effective communication among players is vital for a smooth experience. For the best online experience, ensure everyone has a stable and fast internet connection. Using a voice chat application like Discord for real-time communication will greatly enhance your cooperative efforts and planning. It is often helpful to begin with a smaller, less complex city to familiarize yourselves with the mod synchronization and features before tackling massive projects. Remember to save your game frequently to protect your shared progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.